What is going on, everyone? Today we're talking about Webull. It's a great platform to use if you're trying to trade stocks in the market, and it's also a great app to use. Great app, great platform, not only for mobile but also for desktop. And this app, let me tell you, it just keeps improving. It doesn't matter if you've been using the desktop or the mobile. Both of them have improved significantly since I've started using them. Now, I believe we're going to see a lot more out of this company in the future. This is a disruptive platform, and it's going to continue to be that way. It's just a company that, wants to go above and beyond. At least that's my opinion. About 10 minutes ago, I found out about something coming to Webull. Actually, it's already at Webull. It's just, you have to use the beta version because it's still in beta. But this is huge for Webull. By the way, if I haven't mentioned it yet, feel free to grab your 3 free shares of stock for signing up for Webull today. And you can do so through my link in the description below. That way we'll both get free stocks out of it. It's a win-win situation. But anyhow, let me quit wasting time and tell you guys that in this video, we're going to be talking about this brand new announcement that was made by Webull today, which is going to be game-changing for this platform. I'm also going to give you a tour of the platform, kind of show you around and show you why you should be trading on Webull and not Robinhood or one of these other silly brokers that's still trying to figure it out. And we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this cool video about the Webull trading platform. We're going to be going through the mobile app. We're not going to be going through the desktop version today, although I will be making a desktop version at some point later on. First things first, let's take a look at this app and figure out why it is that everybody should be using it and why everybody wants to use it. There's definitely a lot of demand. Now, if you guys want to stick around towards the end of the video, I will be also sharing with you this amazing announcement that I just found out about myself. So you guys are literally getting the news here before you get it anywhere else. Isn't that amazing? By the way, just so I'm clear and we're on the same page, the announcement is not about me, if that's what you thought. It's about Webull. Webull made a huge announcement today that I'm going to be talking to you about and revealing at the end of this video. So be sure to stick around for that. But right now, let's take a look at our screen and look at what we're seeing there is the advances and the declines distribution. So looking at something like this really gives you an idea about the overall sentiment of the market. And you're kind of seeing, is there buying pressure? Is there selling pressure? Do you want to get in at this time? I don't know. It depends on which stock we're talking about. You want to always buy low, obviously, and then sell high. So that's what this is good for if you're looking at it. And it kind of gives you the prices for the major indices right there. And then it gives you the top gainers. It'll also give you the top losers, which always comes in handy, and you can change the time frames on that to really get a better picture of what's going on right now. And price action is still valid, or if it's maybe dying down. And of course it shows you the top ETFs as well. The United States is what we're looking at right now, but you can also take a look at cryptos, global, China, and many more. We'll also be able to see the top performing industries, which always comes in handy because it lets you know where all the action is on, especially on days that you may be down overall in one sector and then up on another, and you're kind of trying to see where the rotation is or what's going on. You can look at this and get a better picture. Now you can also change the time frames on that. You can also take a look at that information for all of the other countries that we've previously looked at. Here's what my account looks like. I try to keep my balance relatively small because I have several accounts, so I don't want any single account to just have too much money in there. But Anyhow, as you can see, it's only a little bit over $1 million.
My baby mama listening? What money?
Oh, you guys thought that was my real account? No, it's a paper trading account. Webull does paper trading, so yeah, I was just showing you guys. That way there's no excuse, and everyone here should be testing out strategies and practicing. That's the only way we're gonna ever get better. But to wrap this up pretty quick here, as you can see, Webull has some really nice charts. They've got some really cool indicators. Pretty much anything that you can think of. I mean, they're right up there along the lines of almost a traditional platform as far as indicators and charting and all that is concerned, and they're striving to always improve and do better. Now, right here, you see they've also got a calendar, and that gives you all the important dates. It shows you dividends, all that kind of good stuff. Have access to all the financial data, the filings, everything right there in the Webull app. Additionally, you also have analyst ratings, pretty much almost anything you could imagine. Well, I'm not going to go that far, but pretty much everything you would need to research a stock. It's here. It's in this app. So, I mean, there's no need to go anywhere else. But with that being said, let me just say that, you know, it's always good to have a few different types of accounts just to see comparison to the one you're using. I mean, are they becoming more innovative? Are they adding new features? What about, you know, how safe your investment is? And another thing, and we can thank Robinhood for this one, for making me think of it. You've sometimes got platforms that are interrupted when there's a lot of volume. So basically, while your stock or the stocks that you're holding, you know, potentially could be at the highest high, and you know what? You can't even sell because the platform is not working correctly. You know, if I had $1 for every time that Robinhood's platform has done that, I'd have about $4 right now. So another thing that's kind of worth mentioning in my opinion is that Benzinga, for the second year in a row, is calling Webull the best mobile brokerage winner. So out of all the mobile apps out there, Webull is who they like the best. And you know what? I'm darn sure getting there myself. I mean, actually, you know what? I am there. I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a very quick review and then also add on to it. It's not a review like you guys are thinking. I'm just going to go through very quickly all of the features that I should have mentioned. And in case I forgot some, you know, they're going to be mentioned now. Another thing, after that, I'm going to share with you guys the announcement that I told you I would share with you at the beginning of this video. And after that, I think, but don't hold me to this, I think we're good to go. So I will be able to release you guys more than likely. After I remind you guys to please smash that thumbs up button. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and do it now, just in case you forget later. If you're not subscribed, guys, listen, I want you to be part of my family because I'm a family kind of guy. You know, I'm a family man. I want the biggest possible family I can have. Go ahead and subscribe and join my family, won't you? All right? And let me tell you why, okay? Before you do it, you need to know why. The reason I'm telling you to subscribe, other than my own selfish reasons of, you know, just wanting to be a family man with a bigger family, I want you to subscribe because I think that I can share with you information that will be beneficial to your investing or trading career. Whichever one it is, it does not matter. You're talking to the man that's a jack of all trades when it comes to, you know, the stock market. So I promise you, you will learn more than you could ever imagine if you stick with this channel and become part of my family. So that's my promise to you. Now I need you to hit that subscribe button. What we're gonna start with is that you can create watch lists on your app. I think I did actually mention this. I told you guys could have as many watch lists as possible. Do take advantage of it. It's always cool to kind of put your trading ideas in different watch lists and kind of see, you know, what they would be doing. We talked about paper trading. So other than paper trading, they do paper trading competitions. Use them. Use that. It gives you good practice. They do have a community there, so it's like you've got a live stream. You can also post to it. And then they've got like a community section, almost like a forum, where users can get together and discuss, and that's under each stock. So whenever you go in to look at a stock or equity, whatever the case may be, you can go in there and pretty much mingle with other users, which is a really cool feature. Robinhood did used to do that with their crypto, but they stopped because they're idiots. Why would they? Enough of that. I can't do this anymore. All right, so another cool thing, they let you buy IPOs. They let you pre-order them. I've never actually done it through them before, but you know, that's a cool thing to know. And actually, I may look at their calendar and try to do the next one because I'm really curious to see how all that works on their platform, and then I can make a video about it. So you know, but if anybody knows anything about that, leave it in the comments section below, you know, to kind of help everybody else out that may be wondering or have questions about it. We just talked about me looking at their calendar for IPOs, and I do believe I mentioned the calendar earlier in this video already. Okay, so if I haven't told you this already, this is actually pretty cool. You can enable notifications for a number of different things through this app, okay? You can do it based on price action. You can do it based on events that are going to happen. I mean, you guys just need to check that out because it comes in really handy. Now, I've got alerts still coming in from like 2 or 3 years ago about stocks that I no longer even give a crap about, and it kind of drives me nuts, but it's my fault because I am too lazy to go in there and just turn the notifications off. So remember when I told you that I was going to tell you guys the big news? Well, guess what that news is? It appears that Webull is actually launching crypto trading starting today. So you guys can actually go apply for that in the Webull app once you download it, or if you already have it downloaded, it'll prompt you to do so. And then once you're approved, you'll be able to then upgrade or update the app and be able to use the beta version, which will allow crypto trading. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, take advantage of it. If not, then, you know, you certainly don't have to. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you help this channel out by smashing that like button, as it motivates me to keep making videos just like this one every single day. If you're not a subscriber, you should consider subscribing, as I publish valuable content like this daily. You can do so from your screen right now, and if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the video that you'd like to see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.